In today's video, I'm going to show you a fundamental yet essential skill for managing your complex designs in Fusion 360, which is how to hide and show bodies within your workspace. When you are working on a massive project with dozens or even hundreds of components, the screen can get cluttered very quickly. Learning how to toggle the visibility of specific elements is key to maintaining a smooth workflow and ensuring you can focus on the exact part of the model that needs your attention without other geometry getting in the way. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or an experienced designer looking for a refresher on workspace organization, this method is the industry standard for keeping your CAD environment clean and professional. Before we dive into the interface, if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality Fusion 360 guides just like this one. Your support helps us create more content to help you master 3D modeling. All right, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is ensure your project is open and that the browser is visible. The browser is located on the left-hand side of your workspace. It acts as the hierarchical tree for everything contained in your current design, including your sketches, origins, construction planes, and of course, your solid bodies. If for some reason you don't see this panel, you may have accidentally hidden it, so make sure your workspace view is set to show the data tree. Once you have located the browser on the left panel of the workspace, you will see a list of folders. Look specifically for the one labeled Bodies. This folder contains every individual solid or surface body you have created in this specific component. To see the contents, you need to click the small arrow or chevron symbol located directly to the left of the word Bodies. Clicking this will expand the folder and reveal a list of all the individual bodies currently present in your model. Each body is given a default name, like Body 1, Body 2, or whatever custom name you might have assigned it during your modeling process. Now, here's where the magic happens for visibility management. Next to each body name in that list, you will see a small icon that looks like a light bulb or an eye, depending on your specific version settings. To hide a body, simply click on that light bulb icon next to the specific body name you want to disappear. You will notice that the icon turns from bright to dim or crossed out, and the body will instantly vanish from the 3D canvas in the center of your screen. It is important to remember that hiding a body does not delete it or remove it from your project calculations. It simply removes it from your current visual field so you can work on internal parts or see what lies beneath that specific component. This is incredibly useful for checking tolerances or performing assembly tasks where one part might be obstructing your view of a bolt hole or a mating surface. Now, let's say you have finished your work on the internal components and you need to see the full assembly again. To show the body again, all you have to do is navigate back to that same list in the browser. Find the body that is currently hidden. You can tell it is hidden because the light bulb icon will be grayed out or off. Simply click that light bulb icon once more. As soon as you click it, the icon will light up again and the body will immediately reappear in its original position in the 3D workspace. You can do this for individual bodies, or if you want to be even more efficient, you can click the light bulb next to the main Bodies folder itself. Clicking the icon at the folder level will toggle the visibility of every single body inside that folder simultaneously. This is a massive time saver when you want to clear the entire screen at once or bring everything back into view after a long session of detail work. Mastery of the browser is what separates hobbyists from professional CAD users. By effectively hiding and showing bodies, you can create exploded view style checks and ensure that every part of your design is perfect without the frustration of clicking through overlapping surfaces. Practice this a few times until it becomes muscle memory, as you will be using this feature in nearly every single project you create in Fusion 360 moving forward. And that is really all there is to it. You now know exactly how to manage body visibility to keep your workspace organized and efficient. If this video helped you understand Fusion 360 a bit better, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest 2026 tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.